I'd like to show you how to wrap a gift with the origami-style heart. Prepare 2 different sheets of paper. This is the box to wrap, top, side, bottom. The main paper size, the bottom is about 2/3 and the top is a little longer. Make sure the length of the paper covers the box enough like this. Second paper size, the width is a little larger than the top. The length should be a little longer than the main paper. Fold it a little at this right end for a clean edge. Tape it down to secure. Stick regular tape on the bottom as well. Place the box, then place the right edge of the paper in the left corner of the box. Make a crease in the right corner, then the right corner next to the right. Remove the box and fold it at the crease mark. Continue folding at the crease mark in parallel. Put the box back. Wrap the box tightly, then continue to make creases on the left side of the paper. Fold the left side as well in parallel at the creases. Put the box back here. Overlap the paper and cut off the excess part of the left edge of the main paper. Make the overlap on the left side slightly larger than the folded edge on the right side. Then cut the second piece of paper a little longer than the main paper. Put the double-sided tape on the right edge. Place the box on the paper like this, covering the bottom 2/3. Close it tightly. To close the bottom of the box, fold down the top and fold in the end both sides. Make sure you have a nicely finished creases to the end. Pull up the bottom grip and close with the double-sided tape. Make it stand and push down the box. Then make sharp creases in every corner. Here is the seam. Align this line on the back with this line on the front and align the other side in the same way. Then fold it like a brown paper bag. It's a little hard to fold 2 sheets of paper together. Try folding them while adjusting them back and forth. Apply double-sided tape to the seam and close. Fold down at the corner. Do the same on the other side. Make sharp corners. Open both sides and put them together. Make nice and sharp creases. Fold it back and forth in the center, and also fold down at the corners. These will make easier later steps. Reopen both sides, fold it back and forth again, then crease at the corner. Cut off the top with a crease. Make sharp corners. Align this edge with this corner and this edge with this corner. Then slowly open the top according to the natural flow. Fully open the top while making clean corners. This is a seam, must be placed in the upper left corner. This is the top and this is the bottom. Fold it at the line that connects the bottom center point and slightly above the center on the left edge. Fold it back using the crease. Do the same on the right side. Mark the half point of the upper center line. Leave this middle part, then cut only the top part to the half point. Fold along the line at the point slightly to the right of this half point and the end of the cutting point. Do the same on the left side. Then fold them back at the creases. Fold at the point, a little below from the top, with a half point here. Fold it back at the crease. Do the same for the left side, but fold it all this part, including the middle part on the left side. Make sure it's symmetrical. Make nice clean creases. This way, you can use square boxes of any size. I think it's lovely as it, but you can also add a bow on the top. At the right end of the ribbon, make one loop and tail. Place the point in the center of the box and wrap the longer end ribbon to the left to the back, then the front. The right end ribbon goes over and through under the left side ribbon at the point. Pull up the right end ribbon, pointing in the upper right hand corner. Tie it firmly, then make a loop with the left end ribbon. Tuck the shorter end ribbon into the hole, then pull it out. Tighten the bow by pulling the bottom on the right and the top on the left. Adjust the bow, then trim the tails. This is lovely too. This is a way to add the bow vertically. At the right end of the ribbon, make one loop and tail. Place the point in the center of the box, wrap the longer end ribbon forward, turn around it back and then up. Cross the shorter end across the ribbon from left to right, then pull it out to the upper right corner. Make one loop with a long end ribbon. Tuck the shorter end ribbon into the hole, then pull it out. While adjusting the bow, Pull and tighten the top of the left loop and the bottom of the right loop. Then trim the tails. This is also nice. If you have double-sided paper, you can make it with one sheet. Here you are with a heart. Let's wrap with love.